Today we're covering 6 essential tummy time exercises that your baby is actually going to love to accelerate their development. After the recommendation changed to have babies sleeping on their backs, 1/4 of babies were delayed in reaching their milestones like sitting and crawling and pulling up to standing and walking. The first 3 tummy time exercises I'm going to talk about you can start with your newborn, and the last 3 are starting between 1 and 3 months old. Tummy time is not just important for your baby's neck, shoulders, and back. It's also important to strengthen and lengthen their core, their hip flexors. It helps open up their hands. It increases their gross motor skills. It's good for their sensory and vestibular systems, as well as their visual skills, including depth perception. If you just place your baby on the floor during their awake time, they may not like tummy time very much. My babies really enjoyed these 6 different exercises, especially the last one. It's okay to start with just a few seconds when your baby is a newborn, and then you want to add a little bit of extra time. When they're 3 months old, you want to be doing at least 60 minutes a day of tummy time spread throughout the entire day. The first tummy time exercise that you can start with is chest to chest. You can start in a semi-reclined position with your baby on your chest. They're going to be encouraged to look up at you, and even just a few seconds of lifting their head is beneficial. As they get stronger, you can go to a fully lying down position. The second tummy time exercise that babies often love, and you can start right away, is the football hold. You can also walk them around the house and show them objects and patterns for their development. Babies also often enjoy lap tummy time. You can place them across your nap, and you can use a baby-safe mirror or toys, and you can bounce them a little bit to keep them entertained and happy. At 1 month old, you can start tummy time on a surface, but using a rolled up towel or blanket, breastfeeding pillow, or boppy, and place this underneath their arms and their arms over top. At 2 months old, you can do eye contact tummy time, placing them directly on the floor, laying across from them, and the eye contact is also going to accelerate their development. Tummy time on the exercise ball or therapy ball has all of the other benefits, and it's also especially good for the vestibular system. The vestibular system is a sensory system that tells you where your body is in relation to the ground and space, and putting your baby on the ball, slight rocking motions provides maximum vestibular input. You want to have both of your hands securely on your baby to make sure they're safe on the ball. When they are younger, you can roll them so that they're a little bit farther back. It's going to be a little bit easier for them to try to lift their head up. And as they get stronger, you can roll the ball forward so that they are right on top of the ball. Another fun activity you can do with your baby is baby wearing exercises. I'm going to link to my baby wearing exercise video right there. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know how tummy time is going for you in the comments below, and share any tips or tricks that you've discovered with the community.